Hello companions, welcome to the Sourdough Baking Seminars testimonial video, where we will hear from the most recent graduates of the baking seminar, where they have discovered more than just how to bake the perfect loaf. They have discovered community, creativity, and a deeper connection to the age-old process of baking sourdough bread.
My first loaf of bread that I've ever made in my whole entire life. The class was very educational. I got everything I needed to know to go home and start making bread for my family right away. Super good information. They stayed on task. They stayed on time. There was humor and everyone in the group got along well. I will come back again. Thank you so much.
John, enjoyed your class. I'll be back for some others. It was most enjoyable. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Audrey Weger, and I have been doing eating John's bread for the last 2 years here at the American Legion, and it's been very delicious. And I have made sourdough bread for years. However, this is the first time I've made it this way, and he did an excellent job in showing us how to handle it and how to form it and how easy it is to make a loaf of bread compared to the old-fashioned way. I want to say John did a great job, and I encourage everyone to come and try his lessons. They're great.
We had an amazing time making our bread. Can't wait to do it again. Go on, Paula, your turn.
I just want to say it was fun, it was educational, and I can't wait to eat my loaf.
Thanks guys, good job on the class, first time bread maker ever here, and I'll be back. Good job.
The class was totally awesome. Take it.
This was a wonderful class. As a German, I always look for good breads. I've been baking bread myself, experimenting with it, but John really knows how to make the best bread. And I'm really glad that he gave this class to us, this course, and I learned a lot. Thank you so much, John.
For this class, because I do like to try things that are unique and test my ability, but also there's some apprehension. And John and Maura just put on a wonderful class, made it really easy. It takes all the fear out of doing something that everybody says is so difficult, and turned the process it's actually a lot of fun and easily to maintain, and just with some outstanding quality products and options. So really appreciate what they did. I'd recommend it to anyone. I may have to do this class again, or if he has other areas bread making. He's an excellent teacher, well organized.
I could make it here, and I came because I learned a lot, and I feel more confident in baking my own bread now. I had a great time. Thank you very much.
I drove 5 hours just to attend this class. Very.
Hi, my name is Jutta. I also enjoyed the class very much. I was able to learn just how with one method to do all kinds of different styles of bread, not just the round bread as sourdough, but focaccia. He also teaches to do bagels and nuggets, all kinds of different hydrations.
My name is Heather. I just finished a sourdough baking class with Breaducation. I brought a friend, so that was a lot of fun. We're here in a great commercial kitchen. Learned a lot of tips and tricks. I really love the balance that both John and Maura bring to the class, technical and not technical, so everybody across the board could understand. We had a lot of fun, ate some awesome bread. He made a great focaccia, and I'm excited to take my starter home and get going.
Hi, my name is Sheila. First time ever doing anything like this with sourdough or bread. I feel I learned a lot, very hands-on. Everything was really good. Explained everything very, very well, so I feel very confident of making my own bread. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Steve. Class was very good. John was very knowledgeable in the chemistry of sourdough, which was very pleasant to me. He answered questions very well and was very understandable. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kat, and I love these cooking classes. This was a particularly good one, and it's because I've had sourdough failures, so I feel like I got it now, and I feel really confident. It's awesome.
Hi, I just finished the workshop with Breaducation, and I'm actually an event planner and brought a team here to do it, and they had such a great time. It was able to cover from beginning to end the whole sourdough bread making process. We got to have samples, we got to take our own bread home that was cooked, but also take home the culture that we'll be able to start and make at home. So what a great day. Thanks so much, John and Maureen, for being here with us, and it was really a fun time. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for a fun and informative class. It was great to learn the basics, and now I know how to make bread.
I don't cook, I don't bake, I don't do anything. My wife does all of it. I wash dishes. This was very helpful for a novice like myself. I can actually make something in the kitchen that tastes good. Amazing.
All right, John, Maura, thanks so much for the fantastic class here at Breaducation. It was on a molecular level, but it was great. You don't realize how easy it is. It's a lot of fun. If you haven't taken a class, it's fantastic. Come by and take it. Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you. It's amazing.
All right, I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, I can't wait to continue my journey, or start my journey on my own. So I think it's
okay. Well, thanks a lot. It was a fun day. This has been a production of Breaducation. Until we are together again, let us give thanks for our daily bread.